Hey, thanks so much for stopping in. Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's. I'm going to show you how to make a feta and herb crusted oven baked salmon. We're going to start off with some chopped chives. We're going to add that right to a large bowl. Next, I've got some fresh oregano. We're going to chop that up and add that to the same bowl, along with some parsley, some fresh rosemary. Chop that up, add that right to the bowl. Now I've got the juice of 1/2 lemon, the zest of 1/2 lemon. I've got a 1/2 cup of Bulgarian feta cheese. Oh my gosh, this is my all-time favorite cheese, and I've only ever seen it at Heinen's, so be sure to get it. Season it up, salt and pepper, mix it all together until combined. Now let's bring out our salmon. I've got a fresh, wild-caught, 1-pound Alaskan salmon. This is just so good. There's so much great flavor in this salmon. What I'm going to do now is generously season it up with salt and pepper because we're not flipping it over. The skin is on the other side. You need to season just that side, so make sure to do it generously. Then take the time to add that feta, herb, and lemon mixture on top of the salmon. Now what we want to do is use the back side of the spoon and pat it down so that it completely covers and coats the top of the salmon, but it's also a nice even layer so that it cooks evenly and consistently. Once it is completely coated, it's going in the oven on the middle rack at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 22 minutes. Then, when it's done, plate it up with some lemons and fresh herbs. Try it out. Oh my goodness, so good.